Can you imagine yourselves at the beach, placing your feet on the softest sand and staring at a peaceful and crystal clear sea? I guess it's something a lot of us still want to experience. Or maybe watching a sky full of stars next to someone we love. Maybe we think we can have this forever because we are young and we feel indestructible. And perhaps we assume we deserve all of this due to the fact that this is our planet and we can do whatever we want with it. However, we can't live in this lie anymore. It's killing us, little by little. According to the IPCC, the sea level will continue to rise, and by the end of this century, a lot of islands will disappear and some coasts will be flooded. This will cause the forced move of some communities, and others' living spaces will be reduced or taken. The rise of the temperature and sea level will not only cause extreme weather periods, it will also cause illnesses such as cardiovascular diseases, respiratory allergies, cholera, and insect-related diseases. The changes we are causing and therefore suffering will also affect the water and food availability. As the temperature rises, the precipitation patterns change, the glaciers melt, and the water evaporation of irrigated islands will cause droughts. A lot of this will mean a change in water ecosystems and an agricultural problem that will lead to a lack of food resources. According to National Geographic, many life forms are moving from their habitats and changing their behaviors to survive. Nevertheless, the current changes are happening so fast that many of these species won't be able to adapt fast enough. This is the case of the polar bear and the coral, among others. But we have the power and the technology needed to amend what we have done. We have to start by respecting and tolerating each other, because how can we expect to change the course of nature if we don't work together? We have to change our lifestyles. We can start by using renewable energy and switching off and unplugging devices when we don't use them. We can also start sharing our car with someone or using the public transportation system. And we can also start eating healthier for the environment. This doesn't mean to necessarily go green. It means that instead of eating beef, always, which produces methane, we can start eating also chicken, which doesn't affect the earth layers that much. The solution is in every one of us. It is up to the youngsters to start healing the world for the next generations. So the real question is, are we brave enough to be the heroes the earth needs, or are we just staying aside to watch it die?